root canal. Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh shit! You know, language, Martin, language. Wowee. Okay. Okay, we've reached the limit of my ability. No chance. Oh god, that is pretty mental. Mind you, actually, on second thought, maybe am I going to catch a crank on that bastard though? I don't want to be defeated, but at the same time, mate, but it looks stupid on the camera as well. But it looks like absolutely nothing. Yeah, that is nothing once you know. Oh, and that's it. Root canal, not bad, like that. Oh my god, just walking back up. Help Malcolm. How are you getting on? It's pretty serious, isn't it? This bit's alright as long as you keep moving. If you start braking, you'll just slide to the ground. So you have to keep it moving. Yeah. It's good fun, Malcolm.
Yep. It's the first thing on flips.
Clips? Bloody hell. That sounds terrifying down here. This is the one that stumped me.
Yeah, because it makes the turn real tight.
Yeah. I didn't realise there was an extra little bit here. I thought it just went straight down.
Yeah, if you could even ride this, it'd be easier.
Yeah. I think he's from your neck of the woods, Malcolm. You're from Ireland.
Yeah, Belfast. Where are you from?
My parents are from Southern Ireland, Carla.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Have you?
Belfast a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, really? How come?
I was just doing some work over there.
Oh, right.
Loving it. Have you been to the races? The Northwest 200 and that?
Oh, yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's good fun. My dad's really into motorcycles, like, so.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I moved over to London, like, 6 months ago.
Oh mate, you're mental. Why'd you do that? It's a horrible place.
No, my girlfriend's an architect and she'd lived in Ireland for long enough. It was my turn to sacrifice.
Oh mate, I wouldn't have given that one up easy. You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Ashton Hill.
That's a steep hole.
Yeah, that's a little bit on the tricky side. That's a bit of a tricky.
Come over there, okay.
Yeah. She's really good, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh why?
Have you ridden the back on this side?
No. Is it mental? Whoa!
That's easy, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure. It's not steep.
Really?
Yeah, there's more. It's a bit rootier, but there's always a line to the low side of the roots.
Oh nice.
It's far easier than that.
Oh why?
Give it a go.
Have you been to the Cookstown 100?
Yeah, I've been to them all. We used to go to
Oh
all
mate.
but,
See, I've only been to the Isle of Man. I loved it.
yeah, I've never been to that.
Oh sick man. So
Rider.
good. Oh shit, someone coming.
Malcolm.
Oh right, fucking hell. Come on, go on Malcolm. Oh oi.
Yes, lad.
Send her.
Good man. Mint.
Bump.
Have a crack on it, mate.
Cheers. Have a go on mine if you want.
I might do. So I fancy a little trail bite, but I don't want to give up all the big forks on that.
Hmm. $200ml. Nice. Dropper post doesn't work on that, by the way.
The what, sorry?
Dropper post doesn't work.
That's alright, I don't want that up.
Shall we just do a whole run then? If you're going to follow me, do you want to do a whole run?
Can do.
Yeah? What one do you want to do?
I don't mind.
Should we do the red one? Because I know that's not too bad.
Yeah, I could do ricochet.
Alright, let's do ricochet.
Yeah. Any way of speeding the shock up, mate?
Yep, I've got it really slow, haven't I?
It's quite slow, isn't it?
Yeah, you can do. You want the stag. How many clicks do you want? That's one.
I ain't got a clue.
Maybe two?
Yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah, that's better.
What's your name?
Scott.
I'm Martin.
Yeah. Sean.
Sean, nice to meet you, man.
You too. Yeah, that's better.
Scott's going to ride my bike.
Send it.
Send it. Right, ready?
Yeah, ball ready.
First time ever on a downhill bike. Are we going the right way? I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, mate. This thing's mental. Oh mate, that was mad.
Come on, Dad. Savagely quick.
Oh, that was mental. Oh, that was so good. West side.
You're loving it, right? Yeah.
Oh mate, I'm loving this. It soaks everything up properly, doesn't it?
Only one of these.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, that's buzzing.
Do you reckon you're faster on that than this?
Don't know, to be honest. I've been riding that for 3 years, so
Yeah.
last year I was only 3 seconds off winning the race here, so
Nice.
put me in 6, and I've done it this year again. I was 6 again, I couldn't go on any faster.
Word. I could hear you behind me. I thought, bloody hell, I'm holding him up. I can't go any faster. Mate, this thing's mental.
How much did you pay for one of these?
Well, that particular model, you probably get one for 1600. But like orange 5s are about 3.5 grand, didn't they, normally?
Yeah. That's insanely quick. I don't know how much abuse it'd take rattling down them all day though.
No. Well, it's taken a fair amount because that's all I ride is that.
Yeah.
That's the only bike I've got. I mean, I've got a road bike, but no BMX.
That's insane. Oh, even over the jumps, it's so light over the jumps.
Yeah, I noticed this thing was a bit
heavy.
Yeah, I couldn't get any air on the tabletops
It's
at the top.
So
the table, doesn't it?
Yeah,
I don't have to take the bumps out, but this thing felt alive coming down there.
yeah.
To be fair, it was one of these I think that won the race.
Was
I
it?
go on one of these, or something similar.
Nice.
Perhaps I should sell a fat bike and get one of these.
Oh yeah, get rid of the fat bike. I want one of them. They're rubbish.
That's alright for riding round Woburn, but
Yeah.
oh, that's sick.
My first go on a downhill bike. It was good.